How to make four quadrants in Google Docs. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to Format, then go to Page Orientation, select Landscape for a larger size. Then go to Insert. Go to Insert a table. We will insert a 2 by 2 table here. And then now what we will do is increase this to the bottom like this. Became a bit. Insert a table, 2 by 2 table, and increase it like this. And now you can see we have four quadrants in our Google Docs space. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.